with part 3 of the luxury micro loft fiber install. Let's get it. On the agenda for today, we're gonna get the rack installed and we're gonna be getting that fiber terminated. But first things first, we gotta make room to work. Let's get this electrician's trash out of here. All right, let's get this rack assembled so we can get it installed. Of course, it wouldn't be a rack install without a pull-up test. Yeah, she's good. I forgot to record, but I've gotten the fiber dressed down and I got the service loop fully prepared. So now I'm gonna get the fiber housing installed and we can start working on getting these cut to length and start getting them laid where they're gonna go. I got everything coming out of their individual micro ducts. Let me run down around to the service loop around here and then come right into our fiber enclosure. These are the ones I've gotten terminated so far with plenty of service loop on those in the enclosure. And that coming out of the front is the fiber I still have left to terminate, which I'll be knocking that out the next time we come back. I was only here about half a day today. That's why I wasn't able to get this fully knocked out. But in part 4, you'll see me getting it fully completed and start some testing. Let's get it.